first of all, what we can do, we can go up your messenger and upon hold the messenger application. Now you can see app information, so tap on here, and after this you can see here some options you have. I just want to tap on here storage usage. So after this you can see clear data and clear cache. So I just want clear data, tap on here, and after this you can go back and scroll down. You can see permission option, tap on here, and now you can see allow option, and we have one allow option, phone call. So all options are allowed. Now you can see like this, I just allow this option, and after this go back. You can go up your Play Store. I tap on here. I just want tap on search bar and write messenger. You can see your messenger will be update. If you have not update messenger, so you can update your messenger on Play Store. So my messenger already update, so I tap on open. I just open up my messenger, and now you can see here show notes on my messenger. So yeah,